Hello and welcome back to my English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Today we are going to see the explanation of class 6 from the Sparrow book, chapter 3, The World in Your Room. Now here this chapter talks about the latest technology. Technology has been growing rapidly nowadays, so it has become an important part of our life. Now first I will read the paragraph and then I will explain you the chapter paragraph wise. If you are reading this in your bedroom, you have a look around. If you are lucky, you will see books and magazines. That means, suppose the writer is saying this, suppose you are sitting in a room and you are lucky that you are having various books and magazines. However, you will definitely find a mobile, a PC with email and internet access. If you are lucky, you are definitely having a mobile, PC system, TV, radio and various remote controls, maybe a few postcards and photos. In other words, your room is stuffed with various kinds of communicative devices. Stuffed means filled. That means, in other words, the writer is trying to say this, that if you are lucky, you have these things in your room that are various kinds of communicative devices, various kinds of communicative technology. With the help of this technology, you can communicate with other people. Over the last few centuries, a big chunk of the inventions that the people have come up with are related to in some ways to communication. Chuck means a thick solid piece of something. That means people have invented various things which helped in in communication. From posting letters to sending text, communication is something that people always wanted to do. You were trying to do it as soon as you were born. Means he is saying this, that technology have increased a lot. अभी आप पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे, उससे पहले मोबाइल्स आ गए थे. तो he is saying this thing that आप पैदा हुए हो अभी, means a few years back, and you can see the things. You will probably spend the rest of your life talking, telephoning, writing, emailing and texting thousands of people at one time. Okay, he is saying this, that you are born in that time when mobiles phones and everything is available and you want to talk, email and text messages to the people, to many people as you want. Our keenness to communicate means that in a few years your bedroom might look something like this. Now here he has described various things which can be there further in your room. Super mobile phones. In your future bedroom, your mobile will beep for attention and then tell you what your favorite band is about to start their gig. Means in future people can invent such type of mobile which will beep you for attention and tell you which is your favorite brand. You will send a quick text to your friends like that band, who like that band, and you will be able to watch and hear its performance also in your mobile, with which will record the best beats for later too. Means the mobile will be invented which can record the best beats of your favorite song at one time. Quickly you can message your friends to listen to that brand if they also like the same song. Today almost everyone who can afford a mobile has got one. In order to continue selling them, the manufacturers have to keep coming up with the innovations. Innovations means to come up with the more ideas, more new technologies. Manufacturing means companies that develop these things. A few decades further in the future, and you would have not to fish your mobile out from the back of sofa. Fish means find it out from back of your sofa. It will be constantly at your side, or more likely to be on your shoulder or perched on or even in your ear. Means later years the mobiles will be formed in this way that you don't have to search below the sofas and all. It will be by your side. By then computer memory will be so economical that your mobile will record everything that happens to you, everything that you see and hear. whenever you like. Means he is saying that in future it may happen that the mobiles can record the things whatever you are doing, and you can watch it later on the mobiles, that what had happened during that particular pastime. Clever software will be included to gloss over the boring bits and not mention those terribly embarrassing movements you would rather draw a district veil over. मीन्स ऐसे मोबाइल्स होंगे जो आपकी नेगेटिव चीज़ों को, mobiles like this will be very useful and not just for you. They will download the information from the internet. Means mobile will download the informations from the internet. खाली आपके लिए helpful नहीं होंगे, it will be helpful for others too, where all sorts of people will be able to access it. So tracking down criminals, finding missing persons and getting instant ready-made news bulletins will be easy. Means he has given the examples like tracking down the criminals, finding the missing people, getting instant informations on your mobile. In fact, they will be so useful that chances are mobile will become a compulsory one day. Like nowadays it is true that today mobiles are compulsory in our lives. Second point is, this sounds very much out of the science fiction novel, but actually the way they will work in is not very complicated. Thought control lights means जो हमारे thoughts को control करेंगे, जो हमारे thoughts को capture करेंगे. It will not be so complicated. Imagine a whole world of thought control gadgets that will work just like this, as well as inventions that respond to instructions that we deliberately think about. Means this control lights will, suppose whatever we are thinking will capture the thoughts in the thought control lights. There will be some gadget that will sense our mood. मतलब हमारे मूड को भी पढ़ सकेंगे, क्या हम दुखी हैं, हम हंस रहे हैं, हम खुश हैं, या हम बहुत बोरिंग फील कर रहे हैं. Some of your bedroom furniture will be even think like. Okay, means in future he is saying. So this may happen that the technology can develop such things. Next point is mind reading bed come chair. Mind reading means whatever you are thinking, whatever you are feeling, that can be in the form of chair, which will be considered as bed come chair. Your future bedroom might be a bit smaller than today's. Means क्योंकि आजकल जगहें कम होती जा रही, तो आज से आगे जाके ये भी हो सकता है कि हमें छोटे छोटे रूम्स हों, where we cannot keep big bedrooms, beds, double beds. This accommodation price rising and the population growing so instead of a bed, easy chair and office type chair, you may have just one thing. Maybe it will be called smart chair. He is saying this, that as in future we are not going to have much space to live, small rooms will be there, so there will be an office type chair which we can call smart chair or shed or bear. Actually, to be brutally honest, it might be called the thunker for all I know. Predicting means forecasting. What it is called is harder than predicting how it works. अब प्रिडिक्ट तो करते हैं, लेकिन जब तक चीज़ हमारे सामने नहीं होती उसको हम ठीक से देख नहीं लेते हैं, हम समझ नहीं सकते हैं. Anyway, imagine you have just finished your homework and it is time to listen to some music. Even as you think so, your shed softens and reclines. Okay, now here he is saying that suppose this type of chair is there and you are supposing that you are tired now, you have finished your homework and you are tired and you want to lie down. So this chair will capture your feeling, capture your thought, और वो खुल जाएगी ताकि आप लेट सको. Even if you think so, your shed softens and reclines. Music comes out of it until you start to get sleepy. Means उसमें automatically क्या होगा, music भी होगी. and the music softens and dies as the shed gets wider. मीन्स वो जैसे जैसे बिस्तर के फॉर्म में बड़ा होता जाएगा, धीरे धीरे म्यूजिक स्लो हो जाएगी और बंद हो जाएगी. फ्लैटर एंड सॉफ्टर, इट वार्म्स अप अ लिटिल, फोल्ड्स इटसेल्फ जेंटली अराउंड एंड यू फॉल पीसफुली asleep. मतलब वो इतनी कंफर्टेबल होगी कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली सारा काम करेगी. इट विल फील यू कोजी टाइप, सॉफ्ट, सो दैट यू कैन स्लीप. How does it work? Well, your brain produces regular patterns of electricity all the time. He is saying that your brain produces regular patterns. कई चीज़ों को सोचती है और उस out of electricity, which depends on how you feel. This pattern change when you are alert, tired or asleep. जब हम सोते हैं, थक जाते हैं, तो ये पैटर्न चेंज हो जाते हैं. Sheds will have built-in detectors that will pick up and recognize these patterns. तो ये शेड क्या करेगा, ये चेयर क्या करेगी, वो पैटर्न्स को समझेगी. When your shed notices that you are feeling sleepy, it will turn into bed, and when you are ready to do some work, it will be too. मतलब when you are feeling sleepy, the shed will spread, and when you want to work, it will compose it. अब वो कुर्सी के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. When you are ready to get up, the shed will be able to straighten gradually into a column. Column means वो छोटी हो जाएगी ताकि आप उस पर बैठ के काम कर सको. And then fold itself neatly away. Your shed will have to think to decide whether you really want to sleep, work, relax or get up. मतलब वो शेड इतना वो करेगा कि जो भी आप सोचोगे वो उसी फॉर्म में आपको दे देगी, वो अपने आप को चेंज कर लेगी. बेस्ड ऑन द टाइम व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, योर यूजुअल पैटर्न ऑफ बिहेवियर एंड ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग. मतलब जो भी हम चाहेंगे, अगर हम सोना चाहते हैं तो स्प्रेड हो जाएगी, हम काम करना चाहेंगे तो वो कुर्सी के फॉर्म में आ जाएगी. तो इन द सेम वे वॉट एवर बिहेवियर इज देयर, दैट शेड विल डू अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. नेक्स्ट इज कारपेट दैट केयर्स. दिस इज़ अ बिट लाइक योर शेड, मतलब शेड की ही तरह है, बट इट इज़ अ कारपेट, दरी. इट विल चेंज टू सूट यू, बट इट विल रिएक्ट टू फिजिकल साइंस रादर दैन थाट्स. मीन्स वो फिजिकल साइंस मतलब फिजिकल एक्टिविटी को देखेगी रादर दैन योर थाट्स. शेड क्या कर रहा था, शेड थाट्स को कर रहा था, थाट्स को ले रहा था. यहाँ पे फिजिकल है, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं विच द कारपेट विल केयर. It will be snugly and warm on the cold winter morning, smooth and cool on the June afternoon. That means during winters it will give you warmness, during summers it will give you coolness. This carpet will also solve the awful problem, means other more problems. Do you let your parents into your room to clean it, or do it yourself, or let it to get dirty? अब यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी क्या है, parents come to clean a room, or we have to clean the room, or we keep the room dirty. This carpet will keep itself clean and the rest of the room too. Means this carpet will keep itself clean and will also clean the room by absorbing dust from the air. कैसे, जब वो dust को अपने उसमें absorb कर लेगा. All this could be done by the network of narrow tubes down through which cool and warm air is blown. Means वहाँ उसमें क्या होंगे, narrow tubes होंगे which will help in keeping the carpet cool or warm. The carpet will also act as a burglar alarm if someone steps in it when you have told it you are out. Means this carpet will also indicate that if you are not willing that someone else will come on the carpet, it will not allow that person. Perhaps carpet like this could even trap burglars like flies in the web by squattering a network of sticky threads over them that harden in the air. Means वो ऐसा स्टिकी थ्रेड बना देगा कि वो किसी भी तरीके के फ्लाइज को, मच्छर को, मक्खी को नहीं आपके पास नहीं आने देगा. नेक्स्ट इज वर्चुअल रियलिटी सिस्टम. Virtual reality system involves computer producing sounds, images and physical sensation or so realistic that they can convince us that they are real. Means he is trying to say this that जब हम कोई पिक्चर देखेंगे on virtual reality system, it will appear like the people are actually in reality they are there in front of you. It is not so easy as it seems because when we sense depends on how we move. Also, even the best VR system around do not generate smell or taste. ठीक है, वो कोई तरीके का smell और taste नहीं देगा. And physical sensation are limited to few prods. Prods means poke. And the physical sensation भी कुछ limit तक पे होगा. And presses on the inside surface of a glove you wear or some jerks and wobbles of your chair. ठीक है, wobbles means movement of your chair. The easier bit of a VR system to get to work into the audio system, stereo headphones are all you need forever. In other words, means it will help for the sound system. You don't have to use headphones for that. Okay, getting a realistic picture is not too difficult either. For the three-dimensional effect, all you need is two tiny screens that show slightly different views on one for each eye. ठीक है, वो कह रहे हैं कि इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है. टू टाइनी स्क्रीन्स होंगे जो एक आँख के लिए एक आँख के लिए एक होगा. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन थॉट टेक्नोलॉजी टेक्स ऑफ, all these equipments will seen as outdated as a suit of armor. जैसे पुराने कपड़े हम उतार देते हैं ना जब ख़राब हो जाते हैं या नहीं पहनने का मन होता है. इन द सेम वे जब क्या कहते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ती चली जाएगी तो ये इक्विपमेंट्स भी आउटडेटेड हो जाएंगे. जस्ट अ लिटिल चिप अटैच टू योर हेड मीन्स अब वो कब होंगे, जैसे एक छोटी सी चिप अगर आपके माइंड दिमाग सर में अंदर डाल दी जाए or surgically implanted into it, might do all the feeding of signals directly to the parts of your brain you use for seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling. जैसे अभी क्या है, अभी हमारा ब्रेन हर चीज़ में हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन देता है हमारी बॉडी को, है ना. उसी तरीके से जब वो चिप लग जाएगी तो ऑल दीज गैजेट्स इज़ यूजलेस. ओके, बिकॉज दिस चिप विल हेल्प इन seeing, hearing, touching, tasting and smelling. Next is rewritable books. In your futuristic bedroom, you might have only one book. At the press of the button or a spoken word from you, its pages will change from a comic to a history book. Means ऐसी book आ जाएगी कि एक ही book रहेगी. जैसे अभी we are using other books, history other, one book, geography one book, civics one book, English one book. At that time there will be only one book और आपके बोलने पे या बटन प्रेस करने पे उसके पेजेस चेंज हो जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विल. And then maybe to the TV guide A to Z or the latest title depending on what sort of evening you have in mind. Rewritable books like this will look like ordinary books. जो books होंगी एकदम ordinary होगी, ठीक है, but with thicker glossier pages. means जैसे हमारी books की pages बहुत पतले होते हैं लेकिन उसके मोटे होंगे. Each page will have thousands of tiny squares embedded. Embedded means fixed in it. means each page will have thousands of tiny squares. छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स होंगे जैसे आप इस पिक्चर में देख रहे हैं उस टाइप से. The spares will be white on top and black underneath. means उसका जो ये ऊपर का पार्ट होगा ये white होगा और उसके नीचे का जो surface होगा वो black होगा. When the books receives a computer file of data, some spares will turn over, making black dots appear in groups forming letters and pictures. black के ऊपर क्या होगा जब हम सोचेंगे और कंप्यूटर फाइल को डाटा को उसमें डालेंगे तो क्या होगा, whatever we want that will appear on the screen. Those words and pictures will appear on the screen which will help us to understand whatever we want to know. I hope you have understood the chapter. Please do like and subscribe my channel, Mahi English Classes.